We have a patient today, all the way from Tokyo, Japan, came to GLOJAS for the SMART FUE technique. She has chosen a special design, a figure of 3 which is stretched. This is too proposal and she doesn't like too rounded, and this is a Japanese way. Totally round is not that she's request, but she wanted the 3. This is figure of 3 and the 3 is stretched like this here and around here on the left side and this on the right side. We have drawn the design according to the request, and this here is the figure of 3 and is stretched. This is on the left side and this is on the right side here.
私は日本からクアラルンプールに飛行機で来ました。それはここで宿毛をするためです。日本ではナチュラルなデザインが人気なので、このデザインをオーダーしました。GLOJASはワールドクラスです。